if you want to quickly make an electricity effect in Unity that works in 2D, but also works in 3D, you should continue watching this tutorial. Greetings! Today I'm going to be showing you how you can make an electricity effect in Unity. Let's get right into it. So the first step is, in the description below, there's going to be a link to a sprite. I want you to download it and then drag and drop it into Unity. And make sure it's imported as Sprite 2D and UI. Then what I want you to do, I want you to right click in the assets folder, go to create, then go to material. Call this whatever you want. I'll call it electricity. Then for the shader type, you want to click on the drop down box, then go to mobile, then go to particles, then go to alpha blended. Then for the texture, I want you to drag and drop the sprite you just imported. We're going to be using this on the particle system to create an electricity effect. You can change the sprite that we use. The better the sprite, the higher quality your electricity is going to look. Now, in your scene, right click, go to effects, and then go to particle system. Call this whatever you want. I'm going to call it electricity. Then I want you to set the position to be 0, Y to be 0, Z to be 0, rotation X to be 0. So the next step is, in the first section of the particles, I want you to go to start size and then click on the little drop down arrow and click on random between two constants. We're going to have it be random sizes between 0.1 and 0.2. Then we're going to go to start lifetime. Click on the drop down box and again do random between two constants. And we'll do 0.6 and 0.7. For scaling mode, we're going to go with hierarchy. And for simulation speed, we're going to set it to 4. After that, we're then going to go to the emission section. And we're going to change the rate over time to be 20. Then we're going to go to the shape. We're going to set the shape to be a sphere. We'll set the radius to be 0.01. And then we're going to scroll down and we're going to go to the noise section. And we firstly want to tick noise. And we're going to set the strength to be 0.4. Frequency is going to be 21. Scrolling speed will be 3. We're going to untick dampen. And we're going to set the quality to be high 3D. We're going to scroll down a bit more and we're going to go to trails. We're going to tick it. And instantly, this now looks a bit like electricity. But we're going to change a few more details. So set the minimum vertex distance to be 0.05. For texture mode, I want you to go to distribute per segment. Again, you can customize any of these values to be whatever you want. Then you want to go down to the renderer section. And render mode, set to none. For trail material, I want you to drag and drop the electricity material you made before into the field. And that's all you have to do. So if we go into the scene view, as you can see, the electricity is there and it's emitting. If we go to the game view, it can also work like 2D electricity. And that's it for this tutorial. So I recommend that you customize this a bit to make it unique to your game. Also, I strongly recommend you get a higher quality sprite to use for your electricity material. But that's everything. Thanks for being a great audience. I'll see you next time.